To cater to all the increasing demands of Hollywood's richest and famous members, there are a lot of people who make it their business to please them. Plastic surgeons who deal with the richest celebrities make a ton of money and are pretty impressive themselves. Today, we're going to reveal all the hottest wives of the richest Hollywood plastic surgeons. First, let's take a look at Anna Kraft. Anna Kraft is married to plastic surgeon Philip Kraft, and she actually used to be a supermodel. Her beauty is world-class, and her husband has been doting on her for over 20 years. The two met whilst he was in medical school, and they've been together ever since. Anna is undoubtedly beautiful and looks as though she has the beauty of a movie star or famous singer. But despite her obvious good looks, she's happy to have plastic surgery procedures done and talks openly about them. After she had her babies, she admits to having what she calls her version of the mommy makeover, which includes a tummy tuck, liposuction around her waist and hips, and a breast enhancement. She also has had work done on her butt and fillers in her face, especially in her lips. And her husband, Philip, has done the work himself. When Philip was asked about how he felt operating on his own wife, he said, "She wanted improvement in that area, which is my expertise. She trusted my abilities. I agreed to work on her, even if society might look down on my decision to help my wife deal with some insecurities." It must have been incredibly nerve-wracking for Philip to turn his scalpel on his own wife, but the results speak for themselves, and she looks incredible. And from the interviews the couple have done, it couldn't be clearer that everyone thinks Anna is super hot. Potter Aston. Potter Aston is next on our list. She's married to prominent plastic surgeon Sherelle Aston, who works out of NYC and is one of the hottest, wealthiest, and most prominent aesthetic plastic surgeons around. He's worked on tons of celebrities, and his wife is pretty hot stuff to match. Potter is in her 50s, and she keeps her pale blonde hair perfectly styled. Her makeup is always flawless and simple, and she has an extremely classical, dignified style. Potter has revealed that she doesn't just approve of her husband's job, she loves it. There's something very special about being married to someone who has that much skill and power over other people's appearances. And Potter puts it perfectly, saying, "There's something about being married to a man who can affect one's beauty and turn back the hands of time." Next, let's take a peek at Lisa Hochstein. Lisa is a very familiar face, even if it does keep changing up a bit every now and then. You might recognize her from The Real Housewives of Miami, where she starred for several seasons alongside the other rich and famous wives. She's another wife who isn't afraid of scalpels or needles, as her face alone has had multiple procedures done. She's had lifts, fillers, Botox, and a nose job, and she isn't showing any signs of wanting to quit surgery anytime soon. She's actually a bit of a party girl, as she and her husband have been having loud and noisy parties in their lavish Miami home recently. Why, in just 3 months this year, the mega-rich couple have been fined almost $12,000 by the police for noise complaints. That's in just 3 months. Money is clearly no object, and the pair don't mind throwing it around if it means they can get what they want. She splashes her luxury life all over Instagram, showing off her existence in a series of perfectly planned photo shoots, complete with her children as cute props. She always looks flawless and uses smoothing filters on top of the surgery she's already had. She's never seen out of designer clothes and frequently shows off her perfectly sculpted body next to expensive pools and vacation spots. She's definitely enjoying her celebrity status as a surgeon's wife. Lisa didn't just start having procedures whilst married to her husband Lenny. Prior to meeting him, she had her nose worked on and a breast augmentation. However, she wasn't happy with the results of her breasts and got her husband to redo them. He's well known for his skills at breast surgery. When asked about how she felt after having her husband work on her body, she said, "There's no shame. Everyone on the show has someone or something they're promoting, and by looking like this, I promote promote my husband's business. Melissa Matarazzo. Melissa is married to prominent New York plastic surgeon Alan Matarazzo, who's famous for his sculpting skills. Celebrities come to pay Alan a visit when they want something done to their faces, as he specializes in facial aesthetic surgery, as well as other procedures like liposuction. He's apparently done some of the work on the biggest female stars, including Kathleen Turner and Diane Sawyer. Melissa has been married to Alan since the pair were in their 20s, over 30 years ago, and according to her, despite the fact that her husband spends all day fixing what his customers deem faults, he doesn't look at his wife in a critical way when he comes home from work. She said, "Alan's not critical at all. He looks at me the same way as he did when he met me." But has Melissa gone under her husband's knife? Well, she has had some procedures done, like Botox, fillers, and laser hair removal, but she doesn't admit to having had any more invasive procedures. Melissa seems to have a very sensible approach to plastic surgery and body augmentation. She says of the matter, "It's not a candy store to me. The less I do, the happier he is." She clearly knows that the simple procedures that she's done on her face are enough to keep her happy, and her husband already loves how she looks. But obviously, her opinion on herself is just as important, if not more so, than what Alan thinks. And Melissa knows for sure that she is hot stuff. Crossing the pond to central London, we meet Hala Ayubi. Hala Ayubi is married to famous London plastic surgeon Dr. Aham Al-Ayubi, who is the medical director of the London Medical and Aesthetic Clinic. Hala is very keen on her procedures, and most of them have been done by her husband, who she relies on and trusts completely to improve her beauty. There's only one procedure she's had that Hala has not got her husband Aham to do, and that is her breast augmentation. Hala went from a C cup to a double F cup, and for once, Hala had to rely on someone else, although she did not go to a different practice. Aham doesn't do the silicone implants I wanted, so one of his colleagues performed that operation. However, Aham does everything else, and he's given his wife fillers, Botox, and lipo. She's a huge fan of perfecting her appearance, constantly making sure she maintains her beauty standard for herself. She spends a lot of time on her hair and makeup, and she acknowledges that even with her makeup skills, she wouldn't be as happy as she is with her looks without her husband's surgical help. She said, "Even though I've always taken great pride in my appearance and won't go to the supermarket without immaculate hair and makeup, I definitely look younger as a result of marrying a cosmetic surgeon." She has a lot of trust in her husband to perform the procedures perfectly, and she has no hesitation whatsoever in allowing him to do pretty much whatever he likes. Hala says that she actually enjoys her husband making suggestions for her next procedures, as it makes her excited about the fact that he's so invested in her appearance. "I trust his judgment implicitly, not just because he's my husband, but because he's a top surgeon. I feel safer having work done by him, and he'd rather do it because he knows he will achieve great results." Something that these super hot wives all have in common is that they feel empowered and know their own beauty. Their personal styles are completely different, whether classical and elegant or modern and youthful, but they're all sure of what they want and are not afraid of getting it. Not only that, but all of the hottest wives of rich Hollywood plastic surgeons have had procedures done by their husbands. The levels of trust in their relationship must be incredible, and it is mutually beneficial too. The women get the beauty procedures that they want for free from their husbands, and they know it will be to the best of their abilities. And the husbands get to have their best work advertised at all their social and promo events. And the more these rich and famous wives are able to star on shows such as The Real Housewives of Miami, like Lisa Hochstein did, the world will be able to see the procedures firsthand. A plastic surgeon's work on celebrities is largely secretive, as most Hollywood stars don't like to admit what work they've had done. But by showing off their skills on their wives, everyone knows what these mega rich doctors are capable of.